in not Chania, it's Malia, and it's the middle of the day and there's hardly anybody about, because I would imagine that most people will be night birds, all the people coming here for the holidays, because literally, as I say, there's hardly anybody about. It's empty, which is good. So we're going northwards in a northerly direction towards the beach, which is not too far away, and then we'll see what is offered down at the beach. So it's very, as I say, it's very, very warm. But it's a nice change from the normal life in Chesterfield, isn't it?
Yeah,
or in
absolutely.
England, because of course it's normally very, even in the summertime, it can be pretty cold, or certainly much less than here. You can tell that this is, they're used to the heat here, whereas in England it tends to go up and down a bit. So what do you think of anything, do you have any thoughts yourself, my lovely?
Yes, teman-teman, kami sekarang masih dalam holiday, menikmati matahari yang indah sekali dan amazing, yang mungkin agak sedikit kepanasan, terlalu panas ya, tapi ini yang kita cari kan, kita jauh-jauh dari England. So kami masih berada di Malia, di Crete ya, yaitu di Yunani, dan kami sekarang ini tengah berjalan menuju ke beach, ke pantai ya, dan nggak terlalu jauh sih, tapi karena cuaca panas kita harus jalan sedikit pelan-pelan ya, supaya nggak terlalu capek.
Well, yeah,
so
we have to go slowly. Go on,
yeah,
Matthew.
yeah, so Karian.
I would imagine the temperature is probably a bit warmer than the average temperature. Certainly in Bandung, it's warmer here. Maybe in Jakarta and Surabaya, it's maybe hotter, but certainly it is midsummer here, right in the middle of the year in June. So the kind of heat is at the zenith, and they've got maybe June, July, August, September, the holidays period, so it is going to be even busier, maybe in a couple of weeks' time, here in these resorts, Malia and Chania and Heraklion and so on. This, of course, this is the island of Crete.
Absolutely. So teman-teman, ikuti terus perjalanan kami bersama The Adventure of Vina and Tim, dan kami akan sharekan kepada kalian tempat-tempat yang menarik di sini ya, di Malia ya. Dan siapa tahu suatu hari kalian akan datang ke sini dan ada sedikit informasi dari kami. Oke, kita jalan lagi.
So this is the Street of Bars. It's quite a long street, much longer than we had expected. Eventually, as we walk along here, we will come to the sea. We've seen the sea elsewhere, but we haven't seen the sea down this way so far. And as I say, it is unexpectedly distant. Of course, everywhere there are bars and people organising tours and so on. But as I say, it's surprisingly quiet at the moment. Either people are maybe on the beach, or possibly more likely, they are getting ready for the night ahead and having a good snooze.
Teman-teman, pada akhirnya kami sampai juga ke tepi pantai yang luar biasa indah sekali, Deep Blue ya. Jadi dan angin sangat sepoi-sepoi. Kami tadi berjalan dan di sepanjang perjalanan di kiri dan kanan adalah bar. Semuanya adalah bar, tempat untuk party, dan mereka akan siap untuk nanti malam. Ada yang Latin night, ada yang tango, macam-macam deh pokoknya ya. Dan itu di sepanjang jalan kami dari awal sana sampai ke sini itu semuanya adalah bar. So kalian bisa bayangkan bahwa holiday di sini adalah holiday yang relax ya. Kalau mau sedikit relax dengan minuman atau dansa atau di pinggir pantai, come here.
Exactly. It was a surprisingly long road, so we took it slowly. As I say, there were plenty of people down here at the beach, sunbathing of course, but you know, further up the road there's hardly anybody. There's lots of bars open, but they're all empty because of course the main kind of trade is at night, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there's lots of bars there ready, open, but of course they're waiting for the evening trade. But it's certainly very, very interesting. Yeah, this is a typical kind of beach holiday for Northern Europeans, I suppose. Yeah, to get some sunshine, because it is bit different from the weather in England at the moment, isn't it?
Yes. Ya, kami mendengar dari anak kami bahwa di England pada saat sekarang ini teman-teman ya, hujan dan dingin. So kami sangat blessing sekali berada di sini, dan kami akan ambil matahari sebanyak-banyaknya supaya kita juga sehat ya, ada vitamin D. So
Exactly.
kami akan enjoy dan menikmatinya kan.
Well, we're enjoying it, yes. We're taking it slowly. Particularly today, we wanted quite a restful day.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see you soon.
Ya, kita jalan lagi.
Well, it was delightful, yeah. And there's something about the sea, particularly a warm sea like this. Not a cold North Sea, but a lovely warm Mediterranean Sea. It's absolutely beautiful. Kind of somehow like this is where we all began, the sea, of course. And so it is marvellous. I'm really enjoying it.
Yeah.
Shall we say
Yeah.
goodbye for the moment?
Ya, oke teman-teman ya. Terima kasih untuk selalu setia bersama The Adventure of Vina and Tim. Kita akan jumpa lagi secepatnya di tempat yang lebih menarik.